In this video, we will learn the Monopoly Go race event explained. Tycoon Races is a fast-paced event in Monopoly Go that blends strategy, teamwork and competition. The Monopoly Go Tycoon Racer breaks down everything you need to know about the event. This is how to collect flags to maximise your team's success on the track. The latest edition kicked off on the 6th of February 2025. Throughout this period, players will team up to collect flags, roll dice and race around the board to earn points and unlock valuable rewards. The main objective of Tycoon Races is to gather as many flags as possible. Since the event currency, the more flags you collect, the bigger your multiplier on your dice rolls. This can boost your team's chances of climbing the ranks. Every roll moves your team's car forward on the track, bringing you closer to big prizes like Monopoly Cash, sticker packs, and sought after flyer tokens. As outlined in Monopoly Go Race 6, participation is key to secure a top tier reward. Players who engage and contribute to their team have a better shot of unlocking exclusive items before the event wraps up. All remaining event currency will be converted into Monopoly Cash, ensuring no effort goes to waste. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.